Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the classification of the equations, or how do we classify things with the equal sign between them, okay? Because some of them are not equations and we're going to see. So let's see what is that, or expand it. When you see something like that, the first thing that comes to your mind is to distribute the parentheses. Let's do it. Okay, I have a 6 here plus 3 times x, which gives you 3x, plus 3 times plus 2, which gives you plus 6, equals to 16 minus x plus 4x. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. Alright, so I have a 6 here, a 6 here, it gives you 12. Or if you want to write more, neatly, you can have 3x here plus 6 plus 6 is 12 equals to a 16 here minus x plus 4x gives you 3x and minus 4. So on the left hand side you have 3x plus 12. On the right hand side you have again 3x. 16 minus 4 gives you plus 12. But wait a moment. The left hand side and right hand side are equal. So this equality is always respected. And we say, as we saw in the first video, these kind of things are called identities. It is always true. You don't need to solve it. It is true for all values of x. So that's what we mean by classification. This is one class of the things that you can create with the equal sign, an identity. Okay, so the next example is here. Let's work on it again. I have a minus 10 here plus 3 times 2x gives you 6x. This 3 times plus 3 equals plus 9. The right hand side you have 2x plus 6. Alright, let's simplify. Minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. Minus 1. 6x here. And okay. And the right hand side you have 2x plus 6. Alright, now let's simplify even a little bit more. We have minus 1 on the left hand side plus 6x, and 2x goes to the left hand side, becomes minus 2x, and on the right hand side I have 6, but this goes to the right hand side again, minus 1 becomes plus 1. Alright, so what we have now, 6 minus 2 gives you 4. So I'm going to write the next step here. So on the left hand side I have 4x, on the right hand side I have 7. This is an equation. Alright, we can solve it to get to our variable. Our variable here is x. Okay, so how we can solve it? By isolating the variable. So I will divide the both hand side by 4 because this 4 is preventing the variable to be alone. So we have x equals to 7 over 4. This is called an equation. This is another class of thing that you can create with the equality sign. Okay. So far we have seen two classes, an equation and an identity. There is another class which is called contradiction. I'm going to explain it in this slide. So again, I see something with an equal sign. So we need to distribute the parentheses. What do we get? Again, on the left hand side we have minus 10 plus 3 times 2x is 6x plus 3 times 3 is 9. On the right hand side I have 3 times 2x is 6x again, minus 12. Why? Because 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. So let's see what we get. I have a 6x here and 6x here. We can just move one of them to the other side. I decide to take these and take these to the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, I have minus 10 plus 6x already here, plus 9. Another 6x goes to the left-hand side, becomes minus 6x. And on the right-hand side, I have minus 12. But as we can see, these two goes away because 6x minus 6x is 0. And on the left-hand side, I have minus 10 plus 9 gives you minus 1. On the right-hand side, you have minus 12. This is never true. Minus 1 is not equal to minus 12. This is a contradiction. This is another class of the things, again, that you create with the equality sign. So that's all for today. If this was useful for you, you can subscribe, like, comment, or anything. If you have any question, I'll read the comments and you can distribute the videos. Stay tuned for next video.